Happy Thursday, friends. Today we're going to review cause and effect. Now, I know we spent quite a bit of time when we were in the classroom learning about cause and effect. So today we're just going to do a quick review. Let's look at our I can statements for today. I can match effects with their causes. I can find causes and effects in a story. So let's review what those two words mean, cause and effect. We can think of effects as events that happen. We can think of causes as reasons why those events happened. So our causes are the reasons why our effects or events happened. So how will being a cause and effect expert make me a stronger reader and writer? Well, it'll make you a stronger reader because when you understand cause and effect, it'll help you to understand a story better. It'll help you to understand the author's thought process in their writing, and it'll help you understand the decisions that characters make in a story and the reasons why things happen. It'll make you a stronger writer because it'll allow you to explain very clearly to your listeners or to your readers why certain events happen in a story, and it'll make your story make more sense. And when you can add more events and reasons why they happen in your story, it'll make your story more interesting to read or listen to. Now we're going to match a few effects and their causes with each other in a moment, but I think it's helpful to think of effects as the answer to the question, what happened? Effects answer the question, what happened? And causes answer the question, why did that happen? So effects answer the question, what happened? Causes answer the question, why did that happen? All right, so we're going to look at 4 different effects here, or events that happen. And for each of these effects, we're going to try and answer the question, why did that happen? We're going to match each effect with a cause. So let's read our first effect. I was feeling sleepy. I was feeling sleepy. Now we're going to try and find the cause that best answers the question, why was I feeling sleepy? Let's look at the first one. It was a friend's birthday. Well, maybe you could be feeling sleepy. It was a friend's birthday. Maybe you ate too much sugar. Maybe you stayed up late at a birthday party. Maybe, but let's keep reading and see if we can find a cause that better answers the question, why was I feeling sleepy? The next one says Mr. Welch was feeling sick. Well, I don't know about that one. That one seems kind of silly. I don't know why Mr. Welch feeling sick would make you feel sleepy. The next one says it was the first day of school. And again, maybe you had to get up earlier than you've been getting up all summer, so maybe you felt sleepy because it was the first day of school. Finally, we have I went to bed late. So of these 4 causes, which one do you think best answers the question, why was I feeling sleepy? It was a friend's birthday, Mr. Welch was feeling sick, it was the first day of school, or I went to bed late. Which one? I think the cause that best answers the question, why was I feeling sleepy, was because I went to bed late, right? And you can kind of hear the word because in cause. Because I went to bed late. All right, let's look at the next one. I was feeling nervous. Now let's look at the remaining causes that we have, because we know I went to bed late matches I was feeling sleepy. So let's take those off of our board for a moment. Let's jumble these up a bit. I was feeling nervous. Let's see, what could be the cause of me feeling nervous? What best answers the question, why was I feeling nervous? Mr. Welch was feeling sick. Well, maybe I was worried about Mr. Welch, so maybe. It was a friend's birthday. Maybe if you were nervous about their birthday celebration. Or it was the first day of school. So all 3 of these could be causes, but I think there's one that best answers the question, why was I feeling nervous? Which one do you think best answers the question, why I was feeling nervous? Which cause best matches the effect, I was feeling nervous? I think it was the first day of school. Maybe you had the first day jitters. So let's take these two off the board. These two match. And now let's match our final two cause effects with their causes. All right, the next one says, we had a substitute gym teacher. We had a substitute gym teacher. Now, what could be the cause of that? It was a friend's birthday. Well, I think that one's pretty silly. I don't think it being a friend's birthday would cause us to have a substitute gym teacher. Or Mr. Welch was feeling sick. Which one of these two causes best matches the effect, we had a substitute gym teacher? That should have been a pretty quick one. Yep, our poor gym teacher, Mr. Welch, was not feeling too well, so that caused us to have a substitute gym teacher, right? You could think of this as a sentence. We had a substitute gym teacher because Mr. Welch was feeling sick. And then finally, we have the last two. We had cupcakes during snack because it was a friend's birthday. Thumbs up if that makes sense. We had cupcakes during snack because it was a friend's birthday. Yep, I think those two match together as well. So let's go ahead and put all of our causes and their matching effects back on our board. And let's read these sentences. We had a substitute gym teacher because Mr. Welch was feeling sick. We had cupcakes during snack because it was a friend's birthday. I was feeling nervous because it was the first day of school. And I was feeling sleepy because I went to bed late. All right, friends, click the next video below and we will read the story Froggy Goes to School. And then in the third and final video, we will find some causes that match some effects in the story Froggy Goes to School.